Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna set the parking brake first. I'm just gonna set a little bit more. Yep, there it held. Put her in. You can see the tach. The oil pressure, 50 pounds. Blinker to the left. Working, the indicator bulb just isn't. Horn works. There's the stereo. Oh, there's one. The air knob fell off. Fan works, just the knob doesn't stay on and it's missing one other knob. Sounds really good. There's your wipers. Switch must be a little funky. Definitely gonna have to see what the deal there is. There you see the bright light there. We unhooked them, so we'll have to see what deals with the switch there, but runs good, runs nice and smooth. Headers, HEI ignition, there's power brakes, power steering. Headlights showed that it was on bright. Got good sounding exhaust. My tail lights appear not to be working, so we'll have to get a look at that too. So said just got it in, so we'll get them a couple little things fixed up. But really nice car. 605-695-7391.